Hi everyone, good morning. This is Wasim and this is Ayush, and our team is Binary Type, and our product is SQL Therapy. So this product is basically for the prevention of SQL injection that happens in most of the apps. One sample example is in my account ShopClues.com. When SQL is injected, it is fetching some sensitive data like passwords and username and email ID, which should not happen. So what our application does is we'll show you the demo of our product.
So we have created a sample application like the same that has been mentioned earlier. This application at shopclues.com my account subdomain is a contact for merchant and the customer, which is susceptible to SQL injection. We have created a similar application that is also susceptible to SQL injections while injecting SQL queries into the parameters. The SQL gets injected.
Query fetches some irrelevant data which should not be fetched like this.
Now, to prevent it, we have the firewall needs to be trained. First, we will train the application.
So the training part is actually storing of these queries in backend, and also the firewall is converting it into a regular expression and storing it back into
for
database.
For the training of the application, we have to hit the application with multiple times with different parameters, such as such as these, which will fetch information on the basis of the IDs.
So this product is application independent and it works in two phases. First is testing and development phase and the production phase. So we have a flag, switching flag for it. For the testing and development phase, the flag is switched on, which is basically training part. And then in production phase, we are switching off that variable.
Now, we can see the sample space has been populated by multiple times hitting the application with the query with the different parameters.
Now run the window Chrome.
Now we will make the application, we make the project to learn the regex for the sample set.
So the cron runs and generates the regular expression and stores it for the various queries that we have already stored, like this. The next time this URL is hit with some kind of query, it first matches it in the backend whether it matches with some regular expression or not. If it matches, then it gives.
Then we will have to
run that part.
Then we have to toggle
for the production server. We have to toggle that flag. Now we run. It says not matched because this is the SQL injection which needs to be protected.
It has been stopped by our firewall.
Finally, it has been stopped by our firewall product.
There has been no change to the application, and the developer does not need to have any. They does not have to take any effort for the filtration of the queries.
So what's the scope of this product? The scope of product is it will act as an interface between the database and the various kinds of application, whether it is mobile application, web application, or any kind of application. So after the training part, the whole product will be trained, the whole database will be trained, and the SQL injection can be prevented in future at production level. So that's it for our product and the functionality, and thank you so much.